synthetic cells to create antibodies. I'm thinking I can make pharmaceutical development a continuous process by using these synthetic cells.
Oh, that's so cool. So you don't have to replenish the cells because they're not actually living.
I guess, but I can't figure out how to divide the cells without having to, kill all of them in order to harvest these antibodies. So I just don't know if I have it in the heart in me to, kill Katie Jr.,
Oh, I'm sure we can think of something. How are we going to solve Katie's problem?
I don't know. We need some sort of contractile ring of sorts that'll pinch off half of the cell.
I think I may know a DNA origami expert that could help us.
Hey guys, what's up?
Katie needs a device to help divide her cells.
We were thinking of building something like a contractile ring on the nanoscale to help with cell division.
I think I can mimic the structure of clathrin.
Clathrin? What's clathrin?
Clathrin is a protein that plays a major role in formation of coated vesicles. It forms a triskelion shape composed of 3 heavy chains and 3 light chains. When the triskalia interact, they form a polyhedral lattice that surrounds the vesicle. Clathrin plays an important role in shaping rounded vesicles in the cytoplasm for intercellular trafficking.
That's perfect for Katie's project.
Well, let me see what I can do. It's ready.
We have to go show Katie.
Is now a bad time?
No, I'm just getting done. Go on my work. Well, we think we may have found a solution to your cell death problem. Carol should introduce us to clathrin for contractile rings.
This might just work. My children don't have to die!
You mean cells.
Right.